Hey there, looking to answer the question regarding the content aware fill. Yeah, things change every time Adobe does something, and things are always located in different spots. I hope this will help. Here's what I'm going to show you. We're going to jump to a picture that I have of my children, and I'm going to make the kids go away. Things I would never wish ever, but maybe once or twice I thought about it. You know, like how do I? These kids are little brats. They're always crying. And I can't sleep. So I'm gonna draw two shapes over these guys, and then content aware fill is its own thing under the edit menu. Now you can go fill and still choose content aware, but the better place to go now is edit content aware fill, and here you can see that they just disappeared in that little preview. It's quite amazing. But with this window you could soften the edges, you could paint things a little bit, try to like say, you know, don't get as much grass in this information, or but as soon as you hit OK or apply, it takes you back. You have a second layer. I'll hit deselect, and you can kind of see that the kids are gone, and it did a pretty good job of pulling stuff in. I would still go back and sort of work with it a little bit, massage that. But yeah, my kids have disappeared, just like a weird sci-fi movie. So that being said, I hope that helps. Please get back to me on if that was beneficial for your question, and if anything else is still awry, just also let me know. Thanks.